What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man. We are back with another video and we have another unboxing, man, from the Nike sneakers app, man. You see the tape up top. It's always good to see this tape because one, you either hit on a restock or you got a pair of sneakers on release date for retail, man. So super clutch, man. Shouts out to the Nike sneakers app, man. I called them as soon as I got this W. Applied that military discount, got these things for like $136. And these sneakers right here, I promise you guys, he's gonna have to go up. I'm not even gonna put this as one of the best Jordans released this year because it's way too early to be making those assumptions. But this sneaker right here is very, very fire, man. Before we get into this unboxing, right now, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We're on that grind to 50,000 subscribers, man. Help your boy out. Very, very soon, we will be dropping the full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 13 Starfish, most likely tomorrow. So make sure you guys turn on that notification bell right now so you guys do not miss that video. And make sure you head over to Instagram, man. Give your boy a follow at the Vintage, link down below in the description box. So with all that out the way, hit that like button. Let's get right to this unboxing, man. Let's get it. All right, like I said, it's too early. I know some people already, skip. You see the Nike tape up top, you probably already know what it is. But for everybody that did not skip, you want to hear me talk about the sneaker a little bit. This shoe right here, man, I'm telling y'all, it's gonna surprise a lot of people later on, I feel like, just because it's a super unique shoe. They did a bunch of different stuff with this sneaker and some stuff we never seen before. A couple of different touches we have seen on some other sneakers which we're gonna talk about. But man, this shoe right here is super fire. I love it. I already got a pair of them, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this pair right here, man. So let's get into it. You see the Nike up top. You already know what this is. Check it out, check it out. A Jordan 1 box. So hey, you guys should know what it is, man. So let's get this thing out of the box real quick. Let's pop these things out. And it's very nice to see that my Jordan box is not all bent up, scraped up, and broken like USPS did me the other day when I got a pair of these Jordan 1s in early. I was highly upset. But shouts out to FedEx, man. FedEx is probably what I'm gonna rock with all 2021 just because I think they got protection for like damages of the boxes or anything like that. Whatever the product was in, they like protected or whatever. So let's get into it. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG size 9 white black Volt, and these retail for $170, man. Check that out right there. You guys see it, man. Suggested retail and all that good stuff. And like I said, man, he's gonna go up. He's gonna go up. They are very low right now, but let's flip these things out the... Man, I just smelled that Jordan 1 smell. Oh my God, we have the Air Jordan 1 Volt Golds in, man. These things are crazy, guys. Check these things out, man. Air Jordan 1 Volt Golds. I know a lot of people, were kind of confused on how they took an L on the Flex apps, how they took an L on the Nike sneakers app, because everybody said, yo, this shoe is trash. Nobody wants it, so I should get an easy W. But that was not the case on the release date this past Saturday. Let's go ahead and pull the other one out the box. Let's talk about it a little bit, man. You guys let me know all your thoughts and opinions over these Air Jordan 1 Volt Golds. Very unique, like I said, the backwards Nike tag on the tongue. You guys already done peeped that out. I know a bunch of people been talking about it. And like I said, I didn't even notice it. It almost passed me by when I did the early review on feet because I was like, yo, I never seen this before, so what, why should I expect it? And Jordan Brand, did the unexpected, and they shocked your boy with the backwards Nike tag on the tongue, man. And with the exposed foam on the heel of these joints really surprised me as well. So a bunch of dope, unique touches to the sneaker that's definitely gonna rise their resale value, man. You guys know how Jordan 1s do. They always tend to go up in resale value. And these right here, I promise y'all, man, I promise y'all, these are gonna be going up before the end of the year. Mark my words. We've seen it happen last year with a bunch of Jordan 1s and even a Jordan 4. The Jordan 4 Black Cat surprised a lot of people when they went up to $400. The Black Cat 4s I was sitting everywhere. And these right here, it wasn't talked about a lot. This was the first Jordan release of 2021. If not just a Jordan, it's the first Jordan 1, and I feel like they set the mood off right with giving these joints right here. A lot of questions I got in my review on feet was like, what you gonna wear with it? Do you like the Volt colorway or the gold at the bottom more? And just to address, what to rock with them. If you're not one of those people that like, to be flashy and stuff like that, and the sneaker is already popping, just wear a basic fit. Get you a nice blue jeans, black jeans, whatever you want. Just get you a basic tee. Fashion Nova has a lot of those different tees that kind of has like graphic or like textile looks to them that can go perfect with these Air Jordan 1s. And as far as the Volt or the gold I like more, I actually like both. If Jordan Brand would give us like an all back of this with Volt or with all gold, I'm gonna cop either one. And I even told you guys last year, I'm trying to go crazy with the Air Jordan 1s. And for this one to be the first one of 2021, Hey, I was glad I was able to add it to the collection, and your boy doubled up on these joints, man. Real quick, man, let me know down below in the comment section, are you guys rocking with the cell laces that come in these joints already, or are you rocking out with the black laces? My homie Jay, the sneaker guy, he put in the Volt laces from his, was the Bel Air 2.0s? I forget what sneaker it was. He put the Volt laces inside of the sneaker and it made the shoe pop. I might have to hop on that train because, man, when I seen it on his feet, I was like, yo, them things going crazy. So let me know, man, black laces, cell laces, or the Volt laces in these Air Jordan 1 Volt Golds. Let me know if you were able to cop a pair of these Air Jordan 1 Volt Golds. Let me go ahead and grab the other pair quick that's already laced up. So here you see it, man. I got the black laces in these. I unlaced these because I actually laced them with the little flaps at the bottom of the sneaker. I put it over it, and I was trying to see, you know, how it would look either or. And you guys can check that out on the on feed I did for the review on feed over these joints. And for all my resales out there, man, that's trying to, you know, make a quick dollar or whatever, or if you're trying to hold on some sneakers, definitely try to get all Air Jordan 1s, because like I said, all Air Jordan 1s tend to go up. And a lot of people say hold or sell these joints. If you're trying to get the money very quick, you can sell them for around $230, $240, which is about $60 over retail, which is a nice piece of change. But if you want the top dollar, of course, the best thing to do with all sneakers, especially Air Jordan 1s, is to hold them, man, because the value will go up on them joints. I appreciate everybody for pulling up to this unboxing, man, over these Air Jordan 1 Volt Golds. My first Sneakers App W of 2021. Cannot believe it. And like I said, if I hit on one more pair of sneakers, I think I know the trick to hit on every sneaker, man. We're gonna see what happens. I'm not gonna talk too soon because I might end up taking an L for those dunks. But if I hit on them dunks, I gotta let everybody know what to do to get a W on all sneakers on the Nike Sneakers app. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We're not grinding 50,000 subscribers, man. Help your boy out. Share this with a friend. Tell them to come check out the channel. Leave a like on this video to go for every video. You guys already know is 400 likes. So smash that like button right now for your boy. The Instagram is linked down below. Head over there, give your boy a follow. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.